Yo guys, we are here live in Slime Studios. I hope that you will enjoy today's vlog video. I have been hard at work over the last week trying to do a million things at once. I'm slowly getting to here really where I want to be finished in here, so I can have all my tackle, all my lures, all my rods, all my camera stuff in here. I just want to say welcome, and all the new subscribers, donk subscribers, welcome. I try to make things fun, and this video is probably gonna be quite sporadic, so hang in there with me. I literally, every week I have a million things, not just doing the channel, but working, playing shows, woodworking, cooking, doing a million things, taking care of my daughter. The video that you are about to watch is completely sporadic. It's like bam, 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 going here, going there, doing that, doing this, and then all of the pictures at the end is what I have done, only but for a snapshot of the last week or so. So stick around, stay tuned. We have a fun spring and summer coming up, camping trip coming up this weekend. Hopefully, fingers crossed, the rain and the wind get out of here. I want to go somewhere and hit some largemouth beds. Thank you for watching Slime Donkey TV. Let's get into it. Rain, rain, wind, rain, wind, rain. Don't we go bye-bye? Come on. Ooh, it's a windy one out here, guys. And I have not been out on the boat in a minute. It's like we can't ever get a break from this. So, today I've been kind of hanging around the house. I really want to get some work done in my shop, but it ain't happening right now. So, I'm going to go get some food for dinner and just chill, relax, hang out with the pup. They coming? Come in. Go, Bobby. Good boy. I don't know about y'all, but I am ready for a break in the weather. Rain, wind, clouds, rain, wind, flooding, rain, wind. It's like it's never gonna end. And I cannot wait until it does. But on the flip side, having all the rain means all the lakes and ponds will be full of water for when it gets super high outside. So that's a plus. Rain, 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 more wind, more rain. I got my buddy a bone back there hanging out. Huh, you hanging out, huh, buddy? Yeah, good boy. You're a good boy. Hopefully we can get home before all this gets worse. But it has been a lazy Sunday. I haven't done a whole lot. Not really been very productive, but we're getting there. I have some cutting boards to get done and get out, and finally we can work on the tackle side of the building. I want to get the pegboard out from the walls so I can put more peg hooks up and find a good spot to mount the camera when I'm in there filming. That way it looks good. I have my lights in there. The lighting is phenomenal in there. Rigging, hooks, weights, sinkers, baits. I want to use what I have. So that is the plan for this week. Hopefully get a trip planned so I can get out and go camping, get on the water, and do some catch, clean, and cook videos for y'all. I have a lot going on. Let me know what you want to see in the comments below. I am ready for the big mamas. So, I'll put this Joby Gorilla Pod on the camera, and it's holding a million times better than that tiny one that I had. Pretty happy with the camera so far. I'm having a problem with the warp Adobe. I don't know why the clips from the camera won't format into Premiere. So when I go to add the effect onto that clip, it says the clip settings don't match, and I don't know why. So I probably have to go in there and fiddle with it a little bit more. Oh yeah, going with the Bobos. Gotta have the Bobos. So, besides the inside of the building, this is my next project. I want to get this boat back in order to running. Then I can sell this and then get a motor for the raid boat. It will truly be fun and quite a bit of work, but it will be completely worth the reno. That is the plan anyways. Cannot wait. Are we going bye-bye? Are we going bye-bye? Are we going bye-bye? Huh? Are we going bye-bye? Are we going bye-bye? Huh? Are we going bye-bye? Huh? Huh? Are we going bye-bye? Tell me. Tell me.
I don't know what you did with them.
Tell me. Roll, 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 roll. Roll, roll, roll. Ready? Come on. We're going bye-bye. Are you coming? Come on. Let's go bye-bye. Let's go bye-bye. Come on. Up here. Well, whatever. Oh, what are you doing? What are you doing? Hey, hey, hey. Hey. What are you doing? What are you doing? Looking for crumbs? Huh? Crumbs? Crumbs? Elevator going up. Maybe. I'm here at the office for teeth for my daughter. She is getting some work done on her teeth. So I'm here to make sure that she is good to go on her way to the doctor. Okay, So that went well. She actually wanted me to stay in the room with her, but I have my own appointment today. At 3 o'clock, I have to get my teeth cleaned, and I gotta get a tooth pulled in the back of my mouth. Not fun, and I know what you're seeing is probably not the typical vlog that you would see, but in order for me to get out and film and go camping and not have any problems, I have to get this done. So, here we are. It is windy out here. I don't know. I don't see my car. I hope she hadn't gone yet. Find out in a minute. Hey, buddy. Those darn auto doors. I'm gonna go in and get some food now. Hungry. What up guys, we are here at Cabelas. I went and bought a whole bunch of wood and I have my back end wide open, but I want to go in and get some good stuff. From here I'm looking at the Bass Mafia terminal bed, terminal coffin. If you have one and you like it, let me know down below in the comments. Why you like it, and yeah. So we're gonna go in and see what we can find. Some good tackle, maybe a new spinning rod. Who knows? Let's do it. Ooh, ain't that boat pretty? Alright, so I got a Lews carbon blue GHC spinning combo for 60 bucks. I love Lews. I can't complain. I can't wait to do a review on it for you guys. I'm not promoting the brand because they're paying me to, but I love Lews products, so very, very stoked about that combo for sure. Very, very excited. So we're gonna get on home and we'll have some fun tomorrow. See you then. Good morning guys. It is absolutely beautiful outside and I'm on the way to go see if I can find another guitar. The one that I had sold. So here's to hoping I can find one by the end of the day. Who knows? Alright guys, finally made it happen. I got my case, my axe, strings, picks, all that I need to rock out this weekend. Alright, here we go. One case. baller. And 2 more and a bag. Oh yeah.